Morning everyone, I'm John Oscar J. Metran and today we're here to raise awareness about netiquette and computer ethics. Today, the digital world, how we behave online matters just as much as how we act in real life.
What is computer ethics? Computer ethics is about using technology responsibly. It means not hacking, not spreading false information, respecting privacy, and avoiding plagiarism or piracy. Preventing cyber attacks. To stay safe online, here are some simple ways to prevent cyber attacks. First, use strong and unique passwords. Second, avoid clicking suspicious links or email. And lastly, never share personal information with strangers online. This includes being polite comments, avoiding offensive language, respecting others' opinions, and thinking before you post. This includes being polite comments, avoiding offensive language, respecting others' opinions, and thinking before you post.